man, these trees are swaying, bro.
One broke over here.
You're done with this, I don't know if y'all can see this, but all of these trees are swaying really, really bad. And if it's anything like this at Mariah's house, please go into her closet, because as you can see, this is crazy.
Okay, you're gonna get it all.
Like being at the creek. There's a part here that I cut out because of me using bad language, but it was at the house, so I'll just insert it for sure. Someone just stabbed me. Water.
But look at this.
Oh my God.
I've never seen that before.
I just want to say right here that that piece of metal sheeting that you see is actually, we found out later, from the neighbor's shed. So yeah. Her car's fine. So this is his grandma's house. That's our house. That is the neighbor's. You could never see their house before until now. That is freaking crazy. Her house looks pretty much fine. Besides her porch. Her house looks pretty much okay. I don't see anything leaking. She got some snacks. Is there anything leaking anywhere?
Not even damn window seals are wet.
Good, that means her house is fine. Yay!
I'll say, hold on. You haven't even seen the scary part.
What, the Davises?
No, that's nothing. The road.
How are we gonna get to the road? You can't still get out by foot.
We can get out by foot.
That's what I'm saying. Get out by foot.
We're sure you close that.
Okay, I'm gonna start a new video now. Alright. New video. Walking to Davises. Holy crap. There's a new house across the street.
What other
Fine.
street to see falling?
Where's his camper trailer?
That's all that.
They sold it? Since when?
Look to your right. Bottom of the house is open.
The fucking thing flew off the top of the house.
What is that?
That's the thing for the fire pit.
Do you think the gun shop's still in there?
This is a good foot of water.
What about the group of props? Let me drop here.
What do you think broke their window?
Well, probably that branch that's right in front of it.
Oh yeah, true.
The roof was something. Wood. The house is outside. Holy!
Oh my god.
Why is the water on the ground? Why is the water?
Because it's turkeys. Here, we're walking.
Wow.
Can we get inside?
Hey! Fix the power!
Is that really a power company truck or is that the neighbors?
There was, one of them was a power company, so we have to walk around.
Oh, the store's locked?
Well, it's not open.
Damn.
I'm taking this with me.
That's really freaking me out walking in this water. Dang, that fence is gone. All you see is a little shell of it. I'm telling you, it's like 2-3 foot deep.
2-3 foot deep.
I'm saying it's at least almost 2 foot.
That's like a foot deep.
Well, it's deep enough.
Yes, yes, you're right. It's deep enough.
And I thought our house was there too.
For real. New video.
That's
Dang, is Tim's truck okay?
I'm sorry about that. Car flew away.
We're getting clouds. Move.
Did you put these towels here?
No.
Oh.
They have
Hey,
power?
hey, put your shoes back on. Put your shoes back on.
Oh my god, I did not think about that.
What?
I did the same thing when I walked in.
What happened?
Glass.
Last.
Oh.
I didn't worry about getting there, but
Try to be polite. Holy crap. So at this point in the video, we're in my boyfriend's aunt and uncle's house, and as you can see, the front window to their living room was busted because a tree limb came and hit it, and then the room that we're in with the water coming through the ceiling is one of his cousin's rooms.
I'm
it
surprised.
seems like it's leaking from their light.
I'm surprised the tree didn't break in.
Me too.
I don't want to be
I'm
right
getting
over
out
the
of
tree.
here.
You look at the back. Fucking some kind of insulation.
Oh my god.
I must have flew through the damn AC vent.
Yeah. What about Ryan's room?
Mine's fine.
to my new Lucky.
Good.
Oh, they turn that into Kinzer?
Yeah, baby stays in the living room there. You're right there. See if I got anything good to eat. I'm getting hungry.
You know, got some snacks?
Did they take Jupiter with them?
I guess so. Oh, they got a cake. Is this a cake? Oh, yeah.
Are we going to go to the boat or no?
Well,
Are we going to go to the boat?
I thought it was a fucking bag of gummy worms, but he's happy.
We can't go to the boat.
Sugar cookies, Jade?
Oh, do you think they're going to notice?
They're gonna know we were in here. I'm taking a video.
Oh, okay, fine. We'll take it.
Oh, okay. New video. We're by Grandma's house at the driveway.
Hey, I did knock down our address tree or our beware dogs. Oh, hey, these trees are small.
Maybe it's dangerous.
Holy crap. Wow, look at all that water. Oh my god. That new house is fine. That's crazy. Wow.
That tree is hanging on the power pole.
What about their house? If you can see a little bit down the road in the video where there's a lot of water, I ended up seeing a snake pretty much as soon as we stepped in the water. So I went back to the front of the driveway and waited for them. We're in the backyard. Here's the pool. What was the pool? It's just full of trees now. This last clip isn't from the day of the hurricane. It was from a little bit after, just whenever we were riding in my car. I just wanted to add it so you could see what it looked like. We got some funny looks from people, but it wasn't too bad.